Hi, Katie.
And Shyla here.
From Simply Earth, and it's September, and what letter does September start with?
S.
You know what that means.
Soap making!
Woo!
Our recipe box comes with 4 full-size essential oils and 6 recipes on how to use those oils each month. So this month, the box is gonna come with Lemongrass Essential Oil, Bay Essential Oil, Happy Joy, which is our very own blend, and Cajeput Essential Oil.
So you might have heard some essential oils that you've never heard of before, but don't worry, we make using essential oils easy. Let's talk about the oils in this box. Lemongrass is lemony and a little bit fruity. It smells really good, and I love to use it to clean my house. It's really nice on wood floors. Bay Essential Oil is a great pain reliever. It's also a good decongestant, and people really like it to soothe muscle spasms as well. Happy Joy is one of the blends that we make here. It's filled with essential oils that make you happy or help exude feelings of joy and happiness. When I'm feeling down, I love to put it in my diffuser, and it's just a nice little pick-me-up to help my day get a lot better. Cajeput Essential Oil is the last one we'll talk about in here, and this oil is a good pain reliever and helps reduce fever temperatures. We have a really good compress recipe in this box that will help with pain relief and fever reduction that you're really gonna like. So let's talk about the extras that come with it. So like we said, September starts with S, so we're making
soap!
And it comes with a super cute soap mold that says 100% handmade, because that's what we're doing here. An Aloe Glycerin Soap Base. This soap base dries clear, so you can put stuff in it and it looks super cool.
Like these hibiscus leaves.
Or this lemon zest. Our recipe box also always comes with stickers and recipe cards to make organizing your recipes and keeping them for later really easy.
Let's talk about the bonus box now. So the bonus box comes for all new subscribers. It has everything you're gonna need for the next 6 months worth of recipes. So let's see what's inside. Comes with a hard coconut oil, a beeswax, fractionated coconut oil, fractionated almond oil, and all the containers to make your recipes for the next 6 months. So it comes with roll-ons and a whole bunch of 5 milliliter bottles. Katie, what do they use the 5 milliliters for?
So each month we give you a really great diffuser recipe, and if you love the recipe, you can store it in this bottle so it's ready to go whenever you want. We also give you 6 roll-on bottles. These roll-on bottles are perfect for taking your essential oil recipe with you wherever you go, and we tell you how to make it, and it's always super simple.
All of this for $39 a month. What a crazy deal.
That looks like one nice natural home.
So subscribe today. You can get everything that's included here, all for $39.
That's a great deal, and we make it easy to make your home more natural. So subscribe today.
See you later.